Hey guys, thanks for stopping by and checking out today's video. I just got done building this custom Overland RTT rack. I've also installed Inspired Overland's 2.0 rooftop tent. I think it looks really badass on the Jeep Wrangler TJ. In this video, I'm going to share with you what I did to kind of beef up this rack and get everything installed. I'll open up the tent at the end of the video. I hope you guys like it. Stay tuned. So in today's video, we're going to correct the biggest issue with this roof rack. And if you can see up closely along the length of the Jeep, the 1x1 square tube directly where the RTT mounts, it's starting to bow in the middle and the tubing is actually bent. Slowly over time, as we use the tent, it started to deform like that. And today we're going to correct that. Basically tie in the front mounts with the rear mounts, and then we'll go ahead, cut our crossbars to size. I'm going to be adding 3 crossbars to the size, and then clean it all up, paint it, and then we'll get the RTT mounted on the Jeep. So I'm super excited for that. Let's get it to the other side, get it tacked in, and then we'll pull it off, do some finish welds. I want to be very particular about the finish welds. I don't want too much heat into one area, because everything will start to deform and we don't want anything to deform. So I'm going to be tacking everything together, making sure it's solid, and then we'll go and do finish welds over here in a crisscross pattern. That way everything is exactly where we want it and nothing's deformed because of heat. When you put a lot of heat into metal, metal starts deforming and stuff like that. So yeah, I'm super excited to use my new torch, my new ground clamp, new machine. Look how nice it looks. I've got settings all the way up to 7, and yeah, it's used, but it's new to me. So let's get to work, guys. Everything's unbolted. We're gonna go ahead and swing the rack on the back side. That way we can do all the finish welds, painting, everything right there. And then we'll put it back and then bolt it up. So that's what we're gonna do now. All right, guys, we have the tent mounted on the new 2.0 rack. Looking really good. And I'm getting ready to open up this tent for you guys so you can see what it looks like. But as you can see, the mounting of the rack did really good. All 4 sides, everything looking really good. Just pulled up right here to this canal, so you'll hear some water and stuff in the background. But yeah, this is what the front end's gonna look like. Looking really good. I like it. Comes right up to where the light is. Hangs out the back a little bit. Shouldn't be too big of a deal for the awning, but I'll tell you right now, I haven't yet set up the awning to know if it's going to be a problem. But I'll let you know here soon. The 1x1 had this slight bow in the center. It just looked horrible. I think the 1x2 120 wall is going to be much heavier and it does kind of match the rock sliders that I have on the TJ. I've already showed you guys how it opens up. Looks pretty cool.
This one does look a lot cooler than the other one, huh? The wedge.
Yeah, that was under 30 seconds and the tent was set up and I'm ready to sleep. All right, guys, so that's it. We have Rack 2.0 and inspired Overland's wedge or clamshell tent 2.0, and I'm thinking they both look really awesome on the Jeep, and I can't wait to get this thing back out on the trail. We can do some camping and really test it out. We'll open up all the doors and we'll set up the awning, cook some food. I am so excited to get this thing back out. Let me know in the comment box what you guys think about the rack and the tent, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Have a good day. Peace out.